Hello, hello, hello. Welcome. It's so good to see you here today. I have 3 things to share. Okay, number 1, you don't have to worry about other singers. There's a lot out there, yeah, but there's only one you. So if you're worried that, oh my gosh, there's so many singers, and there's so many singers that do the type music that you do, don't do that to yourself. Remember, you're unique. It's only you that's going to give this world the thing that you give, the way that you give it. Number 2, your style. Now, if you're doing a cover song, okay, you want to follow it so much, but then give it your seasoning. Give it a little tinge of you. Make it unique. It's gonna work out, I promise you. It is wonderful. And then number 3, if you're recording, what I want you to do is really, really get into that character of the words, of what you're saying, the story. Tell that story. And it's going to be even more intimate because it's like this, one-on-one. But you can't see. So close your eyes and imagine that you are talking to one person and tell them that story. The story of, maybe it's your song. And maybe it's a cover, but you tell it the way you feel it, okay? All right, I know that this has been helpful. I know. And I'm going to go down, oh my gosh, here. Yeah. Woo! Oh, you know what? Before I start this, I have to tell you, I need you to share my channel, okay? A lot of people don't know that I exist. So, I want them to know, I want to help them, I want to allow the voices to grow, to be stronger, give more to more people. Love what you do what you love, woo-hoo! 'Cause it's such a day, such a mighty fine day, yeah, such a day, such a mighty fine day. Oh! Don't forget to subscribe. Oh dear. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and tell people about me because I want to help more people. I want to see you again and again and again. So bye. Till next time.